What are we about to do?
About to open a mystery box.
Mystery box. We don't know what it is. Has the prime tape on it.
We weren't in.
From a liquidator place.
Oh, Cody's taking a.
Really looking forward to seeing what's inside. What do you open the box with?
The knife.
Got the knife right here. All right, any guesses of what's in the mystery box?
Oh, wait a minute. I'm not...
Do you have any guesses what's in the mystery box?
High-end makeup.
What do you think's in the mystery box?
One pair of granny panties.
The third.
What do you think's gonna be in the mystery box?
Halloween stuff.
It's gonna be in the mystery box. What do you think's gonna be in the mystery box?
Something fun.
People making video.
What do you think's gonna be in the mystery box?
I don't know.
What do you think's gonna be in the mystery box? A bunch of treats?
All right. Very pressured. And the moment of truth. All right.
Hangers.
We got.
Oh. Oh man. I could use hangers if you don't want some.
They should always take
We
stuff
got-
out of the mystery box.
A car backseat organizer. And make it double. And make it
Oh my gosh.
triple. And make it
Ah.
four. And make it fifth. Oh man, this is not a good box at all. I don't even know. Lace top silicone king shear.
That could be the granny underwear.
Show it to us.
Watch what you're showering.
Is it granny panties?
What is it?
Oh, those are nice.
What is that?
I think it is underwear. I don't know what it is.
Oh, I think I get it out.
We gotta get a full experience here.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh my God.
What a disappointment that is.
That could be for Halloween.
Okay, we got birthday supplies.
Yeah.
But not one, not two, but three birthday supplies. We got a shirt.
Yeah.
I'm interested to see the design on this.
You know what, Mom? Those are Lexus's
Oh, God.
graduation colors. Oh, like Lisa's pretty cute now.
Pretty cool.
That's not bad.
Pretty cool.
Something Lex would do.
That with those pantyhose and you have an outfit.
Don't be sad.
Okay. Horses.
Oh, what's that? The Addie love that. What
A
is it?
tablecloth.
Wow. Look on the back.
It's like firm.
What is it though?
I don't know. It don't say. Oh man.
Oh.
Oh, a mystery.
Mystery bag in a mystery box.
Cowboy baby show. Oh.
Oh.
Napkins. Forks.
Baby shower.
Plates.
Taylor,
Balloons.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Tablecloth and balloons.
kind of cute.
Oh, and one more. Napkins and a little cowboy is on the way. Okay, now we got 3 boxes.
Can I open the box?
No.
Okay.
Where's the knife? Yes, you don't take the knife from the organizer here.
Oh.
Rookie, he's a rookie. He don't get it yet. Okay. Oh boy. Nice little rug.
Oh, Callie, you said you wanted a rug.
That's actually cute.
It's small, but it's cute.
I can't even tell what it is.
It's a rug.
It's just
Well,
a rug.
yeah, but the design.
The other ones will probably buy it. Step back.
Junk.
Who makes
I'll
that?
save
Who
this one
makes
for
that?
last.
It's
Make a better home, so probably more home decor with this one.
Yay. That's what I want.
go. God, I take this back to camp.
Ooh.
A little cowboy.
Floating wall shelves.
What is it?
Floating wall shelves.
Oh.
I'm not getting them out. It's a project and a half. In the last box.
Is this the big ticket? How much did this box cost?
50.
Shepherd Hook Pack Lanterns.
Box of junk.
What is it?
This is a junk box.
Oh, these are
And it's metal rods.
just rods.
To hang a lantern on.
Like a planter? Oh, those are honestly really cute.
Is that it?
What would you rate this box out of 10?
3. You could always get decor.
What do you think you have in value here?
I think you could get your $50 back.
How?
I think you could.
How?
These? Probably one of these.
Yeah. You can sell that
I rank this
baby
a
shower
dud.
stuff.
Dud.
Big, fat dud.
So 3 out of 10?
A doom.
Yeah, this is